In this tutorial, we're looking at Trace and G-Solv within graph mode. These menus give you access to loads of information about the function that you have graphed. To work along with this tutorial, you'll find it easiest to reset your calculator before starting. So choose graph mode and type in your equation using the x theta t key for x. Use the cursor right before you enter the -2 so that that doesn't appear in the power. And when you finish typing it, press F6 to draw the graph. Now press Trace and scroll across the graph. Notice the coordinates of each point are given on the screen as you scroll. And in this demonstration, you'll see that the curve crosses the axis at the point 1, 0. Using setup, you can switch the derivative on. If you scroll down through the list, you get down to derivative and just choose on. Now when you redraw your graph and trace, the value of dy by dx is also given on the screen. If you want to know the values for a particular point, you can just type in the x-coordinate and enter. The G-Solv menu, which runs over 2 screens, has each brick as the label for the keys F1 to F6. The root finds the values of x where the graph crosses the x-axis, and you can scroll sideways to find the other roots that are in view. G-Solv max finds the coordinates of the maximum point, and G-Solv min the minimum point. It may even find a turning point when it's not in view. On the second menu, xcalc finds values of x for a given y value, and again you can scroll across to find the other values. When 2 graphs are drawn, G-Solv will find the point of intersection. Return to the table and type into y2 the equation of the line. And then draw. And go to G-Solv intersection. And again you can scroll sideways to find the other points. Using G-Solv for integration is covered in a separate tutorial. You can find additional resources at education.casio.co.uk.